this is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter. Today we're going to be taking a look at and learning about the Kingston A1000 SSD. This is a solid-state drive, and these are for entry-level PCIe NVMe solutions. It's a single-sided SSD drive, which can help for fitting in tight and smaller cases. So if you have a notebook or a system with limited space, this would be good for that. This is a single-sided M.2 22 by 80 millimeter design, and it features Gen 3 X2 interface with 4-channel Phison E8 controller. That's a lot of numbers, but if you're building a system, you need to know this information. It comes with 3D NAND flash and offers read-write speeds up to 1500 megabits a second and 1000 megabits a second. They come in 3 different sizes: 240 gigabytes, 480 gigabytes, which is this one, and 960 gigabytes. So you can get them for about $160 depending on where you find it. And we like this because it's 20 times faster than a 7200 RPM hard drive. That's very fast. M.2, like I said, 2280 form factor, single-sided for those smaller systems that you'd be building, and you can get them up to almost a terabyte of space. This is the Kingston A1000 SSD. This is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.